Alright, so let's wolf wave again. Now, we have to get your points drawn correctly, but it looks like if we go from S3 across S2, and we can get the projection of the market. Now, if you catch the wolf wave from the change in direction, okay, so every change in direction is a point. We'll start here at this one. So we'll start, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you draw a line from 1 through to the point of 4, and that will show you the projection of the market. So that's saying that it's going to bounce and then come back up. And it did. And let's take another, little example look at that. We can come out to the 4-hour chart where we are able to see it again, starting here at 1, 2, 3, 4, not counting this little one, and drawing that extension line. It hit a channel and bounced back up. All right, so we were able to use that as a good signal. So we can see it hit our channel here at S1. We got the Darvis buy signal here, and then another Darvis buy signal, and it kept on coming up. So, I mean, that's an incredible run right there. But we need to adjust our strategy here because it doesn't seem like there's a way to make this work in our favor unless we just go from the lowest one to the second middle one, whichever one they call it, and then of course it did go up. Okay, let's check out another one here, see if we can chart something else. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's go here and go through 4. Alright, market went up and it came back down to this area. Of course it hit S1 and was rejected back up, but it did happen. So this R3 and S2 did show accurate projections, and it does seem to show some sort of projection with it. Why is it not charting here on Flex? Okay, here we go. Alright, so 1, or we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so go 1. We're going through 4. Alright, so that's saying that it's going to come back up this way and get rejected back down. Okay, or we can do a 1 extension and wait for it to pop back up above and do this move. Interesting. That'd be another way to try and catch it. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go from 1. Oh, and draw it through 4. Alright, and if we follow the line, as this R3 projected, it hit it. So this wolf wave is accurate, but going from S3, drawing through R1, or whichever one is, anyhow, it did accurately project the wolf wave. So we have to go around and find the wolf waves and then chart them. Or I'm going to work on figuring out how I can get this to work as a strategy. And if anyone else can, help with that, maybe donate a few minutes of their time, comment down below, or, you may possibly have this. Go over to use ThinkScript and grab it and, try to play with it a little bit. See if you can turn it into a strategy and get it to work. I kind of got something to work, but I don't think it's exactly what we need. Not exactly what's going to work well. So, but it seems like if we can, those are okay, fairly accurate projection. And let's go, let's count back a couple changes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or let's count it this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's go from 1, 3, 4. So let's strike way past 4. And what ended up happening in the market? Bing, bing, zing, goes up there to it. And look at that projection line. Isn't that incredible? Okay. Well, there's one more thing that we can throw on there. And that's this TTM LRC. And it will also give you a fairly accurate projection line, as you can see. So you can see how I projected this line from here through number 4. This LRC is right on top of it. So how about that? You know, definitely like and subscribe, and comment down below, and come over to the Facebook group, the ThinkOrSwim, ThinkScript group. Yeah. Happy trading.